This week I'm in Flint, Michigan for a very special cocktail and conversation. Follow me as we see some of the exciting things that this place has to offer. So I'm backstage at the Whiting Auditorium here in Flint, Michigan. We're going to get a little tour and meet some incredible people. You must be Enrique.
Yes.
I'm Nate. It's so nice to meet you.
Oh, nice
this place is absolutely amazing. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
This is so fun.
I know. You know, we perform here often, and every time we do, it feels more special.
Oh, that's amazing. How long have you been the conductor for the Flint Symphony
Orchestra? Orchestra being here for 29 years.
Oh my gosh.
I started when I was very young.
I was going to say, how does one become a conductor? Like, were you in the audience and like, you, up here, how do you become a conductor?
Well, actually, it's a lot of work.
I believe that.
It's in a specialty. It's like, for example, you started to be a doctor.
Sure,
but then you decided to be a surgeon.
Yes,
so that is the next level of a conductor and a musician. You're a musician, you train, and you know everything. But a conductor has to be the one that goes to this little surgeon things, you know, the small little details.
Okay.
And the fine places, you know.
I love it. That's fabulous.
That is all about music.
It is. So what's your favorite piece to conduct? What do you like?
I have lots of pieces
that
I love to conduct. But I always say that my favorite piece is the one I'm doing at the moment. Because I have to enjoy it as much as
I love it. I love it. So can you teach me a move? Like, let's say, you know, there's the oboe player. I don't want him. I want the bassoon. How would I tell the bassoon player to be louder and no oboe? What's the move?
Well, what you would do is, for example, this hand is to soften things. Okay. And this one is to encourage. Okay. So you would look at the oboe, and then you do the bassoon. Okay. And you rise the bassoon, and the bassoon will start playing out a little more. And the cellos, for example, you would do like this. Okay. Backwards, we do this, and cello more.
Oh, that is so cool. Well, thank you so much. Do you think we could catch the show tonight?
Bro, please.
All right.
Be my guest.
Wonderful.
Because we have a wonderful music coming out, wonderful composers, wonderful soloists, and the musicians are just incredible. And the audience.
Oh, the audience. So what makes Flint so special, the Flint Symphony? I mean, you've been here for so long. What would you say stands out?
It stands out is that the community really supports the orchestra. So we are able to have a good pool of musicians, and they come from all over the place. They audition, they are not just picked. Sure. They audition. So we select them out of their quality and expertise, and then they come and drive long hours to come to rehearse here. They practice at home, so we can make music. So it's just wonderful.
Fabulous. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Thank you to you, to the audience.
Amen. To the audience. I think the biggest thing I've noticed about Flint as I've met these people is just how resilient and how talented they are. Everyone here is really passionate about what it is that they do, and it's just been really fun to see that. So we're going to head over to one of my favorite places to get a little bit of home cooking. All right, let's check out Gina's. Hey guys, how's it going? What's up?
You all right?
I'm good.
Good.
Let's check this place out. What do you have cooking for us?
Huh?
What do you got going today?
Oh, we got some brisket going. Let me show you.
You got some brisket going? Awesome.
Yeah.
So one of the things I heard is you guys are really big about the wood that you use when you're smoking, correct?
Cherry, apple.
Cherry and apple.
So we don't do no heavy smoking like with mesquite and stuff.
Okay.
You know?
So how long were these guys cooking?
Started it yesterday.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So how long have you been running this place?
I've been with Bill Sonis for 6 years now.
Okay, wow. And this place has been around how long? Look at this
it's been in Bill's family for 50-something years.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is incredible. Wow.
Get a taste of this
right now. This is amazing. So we're at Gina's Ribs in Flint, Michigan, and this is just beautiful. Wow. It just falls apart. That is so good.
Yeah, you guys are gonna dig it.
I believe it. Oh my gosh.
Check it out.
Oh, wow. That is just a thing of beauty right there. Oh my gosh. So how did you, I mean, what made you want to be in cooking? I mean, did you just...
I was an aerospace fabricator for 26 years, and I lost my job. I didn't lose it, I just got laid off, you know.
Sure.
So
wow.
I left Detroit, Southwest.
Good for you. That's so cool. So cool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm going to get in on this. This just looks incredible. It just falls apart. Oh, you can taste everything. And like you said, the smoke's not overpowering.
Right, that's why.
But you get the flavor there.
Right.
Just incredible. So you guys make your own barbecue sauce then too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where's the sauce at? Let's check
right
this.
there on the top to the left.
Oh wow. Oh, this
Right
is.
here. No, this one.
Oh, nice, nice.
There's the sauce. Put it on your...
Oh yeah, let's check this thing out right here. Let's put a little sauce on this. Oh wow. It's a thick sauce, so you guys are. There's a lot of brown sugar and.
Yeah,
Just amazing. You know, food this good needs a little bit of dinner music.
Dinner music.
Take it away, Enrique. After the show, we decided it was time for a nightcap, and all of the locals recommended we check out the Torch Bar on Buckman Alley. Not only are they known for their award-winning burger, they make one-of-a-kind cocktails as well. I'm here with Ron, and we're at the Torch Bar here in Flint, Michigan. How long have you had this place?
We're in our 13th year. Bought it in January of 06.
That's awesome. And has this bar been here a while then?
This bar's been here since roughly early 50s. 53, 54, yeah.
That is awesome. This place is amazing. What do you guys like to feature here? What are people drinking when they come out to Flint?
When they're coming out, they come a lot for our craft beer. We rotate half our taps like probably 2 or 3 times a week.
Awesome.
We have a cocktail menu. One of the featured ones right now is the Bold Fashioned, which is like a hazelnut coffee infused bourbon.
Oh, that's
really
awesome.
good. Yep.
Awesome. Well, cool. What are we going to be drinking today?
We're going to be drinking a Bold Fashioned.
All right, I love it.
All right.
So what's all involved in this drink here?
This is simple syrup, infused bourbon, and some bitters, walnut bitters.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome. Well, let's try this out here. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, that looks delicious. This is so cool.
It's not all that nice flavor.
And I feel like I'm forgetting something. And a couple of dashes of bitters.
All right. Amazing. This is so cool. So again, we're here at the Torch Bar in Flint, Michigan, and I am so excited to try this. So you're just expressing the orange over the glass then? Okay.
Yep.
It's always the best part. Yeah.
And there we have it.
This is it.
That's it.
Salud. This is amazing. Oh, wow. That
Very
is
good.
Cool. You get the coffee notes, you get the bourbon notes, but nothing's overpowering. It's just well-rounded. The orange. This is just incredible. Well, thank you guys so much for having us out
You're welcome.
here. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.